the call. I'll go ahead and share my screen. This one here. And I'm hoping you guys can see my screen.
Yeah.
And so as of last week, we were at our 177th meeting. So we've met quite a few times. Still doing the create and merge graph there, but I collated the activities in this time frame here, and it was really high activities, 64 created, 45 merged, 72.6% merge rate. So just kind of interesting, how much work is being done still. Of course, the highest creation and merge was sonic management. That's kind of where we are in the situation. I put the top 10 most impactful here at the top. And if you wanted to read more, you could go down here into the email through the bottom and read exactly what we talked about. So I'm still putting the list of all the created PRs and merged PRs in here, but if this email is getting too long, I can remove those. So you guys just let me know.
It's good. It's good.
It's still fine? Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay. All right. So let me make sure move this over. And we have Prabhat here. Okay, awesome. Hi, Prabhat. So I'm gonna pull this screen over. Prabhat, it might not be the longest call today, just FYI. So in the merged, first I'll ask you guys, is there a PR you guys want to bring up or talk about? No. Okay. So we had 13 in the merged list this last week, and Jing and Michael Aronovic and Fred did some HA work. And, for example, this update the ordering of the keys. And then Lawrence did some work also in mapping the counters and table names, etc. Jing also here added a an update for this test bed here that prints merged. It controls the DPU indices, admin up, etc. So Jing worked on that, and I was trying to find the one I thought the most interesting out of here. Also, this is another Lawrence one where he was adding some handling here. And so this one here at the bottom, update the test plan with identified test gaps. So Jing worked on this one, and it was also merged, but they added missing test scenarios, and they added module 9 controller workflow. So just in case you guys want to go into any of these, let me know. And on the second page here, so there's a utility from Lawrence to upgrade DPU images for the SmartSwitch test bed. I think they were doing the nightly runs and noticed that the NPU is getting upgraded, not the DPU. And so they created this with a new module, playbook, test bed, subcommand, etc. So Lawrence worked on that, and that was merged. And that is about it for the merged. I'll stop there and ask if there was anyone you guys wanted to look into. Nope. Okay. And thanks for joining, Bud. I see you there. And then here on the created side of things, so we had 24 created in the last 7 days or so. And but the couple that I thought were interesting was this improved SmartSwitch memory scaling. This one is in draft status, but it looks like they want to conditionally cache high volume dash objects. So I was reading through this, and maybe Prabhat, do you know who this person is, the N Hegde?
Yeah, he's a new joinee in Sonic team.
Ah,
He's working on improving Artisan memory utility. So I'm working with him on this.
that's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you. Yeah. So basically, they were saying that because we have, higher scale than regular Sonic, they wanted to look into the caching, and there's a per object. That was one, which is full, partial, and no caching. And the number 2 is what they were thinking to apply for the highest memory object types. So this is not done or anything. This is just the framing or the outline in case anyone wanted to help with that. Any comments there?
Prabhat, do we know what type of optimization was achieved with this caching? I mean, did it speed up things, or
No,
is
it's
the footprint only?
yeah, it's just dealing with memory improvement. He tried it on he tried it on virtual's testbed, and he saw an improvement of like I think 30 to 40% reduction in arcane memory. So
When you say virtual, this is on the Sonic VS.
yes, he's working on trying it on physical testbed. And this is with partial caching. It's not
Yeah.
full cache removal. So
Right.
yeah,
Only, are we doing dash
It's
objects
this one.
only, or are we doing all objects?
certain select dash objects?
Select the dash objects. Okay.
Yeah.
Be good to know what it looked like before and after on one of our devices.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
So once we verify this, like we'll update the PR with all the details. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks,
It's
man.
only
That's
in
good.
draft. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
And then other ones that I thought was interesting was this is more HA work, but I think this is Dalway. Let me make sure here. No, Changrong. Okay, yeah. So Changrong is also Sonic team, and so they came in and defined bulk sync failure and rolling back to standalone. And when you fail to activate a target role, we enter standalone setup. So this is still open, still under construction. It looks like it's been reviewed by Riff, and if you go down here, Prince is also taking a look at this, I believe, and Vivek, who's on the call. Is Vivek on the call? Yes, Vivek's on the call. And then Jing. So that's in play there. And I also thought this is 3 pages worth. I'm not gonna make you guys go through every single one. Let's see. I think the last one was on the last page. So, and this was just for SWSS, and this one was Dawei. Sorry, guys. And so it looks like a lot of work here to basically work with the ZMQ producer state table APIs. So, do you know much about this one, Prabhat?
Yeah, this is for an enhancement that I raised.
Okay.
Currently, gNMI does not do batching for multiple entries that are programmed for the same table. So we do batching on the client side and Arcagent side, but not on the gNMI side. So
Yeah.
Without that, we would still be sending each update individually rather than batching them all together for the same table. So this is to reduce the end-to-end programming time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. So those were the ones I kind of wanted to go through this week, and I can send notes, etc. And Murcia, since you joined, did you have anything you wanted to cover, Murcia? I thought a lot of these would be helpful to you as we move forward. Okay, looks like Murcia's on mute. Curious if any of you guys are going to, is it OCP Taiwan? Sounds like
No.
nobody.
Nobody.
Yeah. Seems like that would be a very long flight. So, great. That's NVIDIA team. Do you guys have anything you wanted to cover, Vivek or Judson or Kagan?
Nothing for me.
Nothing? Okay. All right. Well, that's all I have. Thanks guys for coming. And I'm trying to remember, is next week our first Wednesday? Let me look at the calendar real quick. Let me see here. 27th. No, we have 27th. Okay. But it is Memorial Day week. So I don't know if you guys will be in or out. Sometimes people have kids and take the week off. Do you think you guys are planning to be out or
No such plans.
no plans?
Yeah.
Boy, nobody's taking long weekends anymore. Okay. All right. Well, thanks guys for coming and have a great day.
Thank you,
All right,
Christina.
thanks,
Thanks.
Christina.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thanks, Prabhat.